Feeling cold hands, tingling feet, or low energy after 50? You're not alone. Poor circulation sneaks up on millions of people as they age. But what if you could naturally boost your blood flow and feel energized again? Just by adding the right vitamins to your daily routine. Stick with me, because today I'm revealing the 6 essential vitamins you absolutely need to supercharge your circulation after 50. As we age, our blood vessels become less flexible. Our heart slows down a bit, and inflammation can sneak in, all of which slows blood flow. This can mean cold extremities, numbness, brain fog, and even increased risk of serious problems like heart disease. But the good news, nutrition is one of the fastest, easiest ways to fight back. Niacin opens up blood vessels and increases blood flow. It's so powerful, it's even used medically to improve cholesterol and circulation. Look for a no-flush niacin supplement or foods like chicken, tuna, and peanuts. Vitamin C isn't just for colds. It strengthens blood vessel walls and improves nitric oxide production, which relaxes your arteries for better blood flow. Bonus: it's a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation. Vitamin E helps prevent blood clots and improves oxygen delivery throughout your body. Think almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach, or an all-natural supplement. Low vitamin D levels are linked to poor circulation and even hypertension. Most people over 50 don't get enough. A simple daily D3 supplement can be a game changer. Vitamin K2 directs calcium into your bones and away from your arteries, preventing stiff blood vessels and promoting smoother circulation. K2 is especially important if you're already taking vitamin D. Vitamin B12 supports healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. If you're over 50, your absorption drops significantly, so supplementation can make a massive difference. To boost circulation naturally after 50, focus on these 6 essentials: vitamin B3, C, E, D3, K2, and B12. Small daily changes can create huge results over time. If you want better blood flow, more energy, and a sharper mind, start building these vitamins into your life today. Comment below. Which vitamin are you most excited to add to your routine? I'm replying to every comment. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more natural health tips to feel your best after 50.